Hi, I want to show you how to set custom ringtone on your Google Pixel 9a. Firstly, make sure that you installed a song you want to see as your ringtone, and then open up Settings and find Sound and Vibration tab. After that, I want you to select Phone Ringtone and tap on My Sounds field. From here, you'll see this option to select a ringtone, but we need to add one first, so let's click on this plus in the down right corner. After that, find folder in which you placed your downloaded ringtone. In my case, it is in Downloads. Tap on that ringtone, then tap on it to select, and tap Save in the upper right corner. And after that song will be your new ringtone. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.